Fun games and activities to teach the alphabet to kindergarten kids. Alphabet hopscotch. Create an alphabet hopscotch grid and have the kids jump from letter to letter as they say the letter names. Letter hunt. Hide foam or magnetic letters around the room and have the kids find them and identify the letters. Alphabet bingo. Play a game of bingo using letter cards instead of numbers. Letter puzzles. Provide letter puzzles for the kids to assemble and say the letter names. Letter matching. Have the kids match uppercase and lowercase letters using letter cards or puzzles. Alphabet memory. Create a memory game with letter cards and have the kids match uppercase and lowercase pairs. Letter relay race. Divide the class into teams and have them race to find and bring back letters called out by the teacher. Letter scavenger hunt. Create a list of objects in the room that start with different letters and have the kids find them. Alphabet freeze dance. Play music and have the kids dance, but when the music stops, they freeze and say the letter name of a letter shown by the teacher. Alphabet toss. Have the kids toss a soft ball to each other, saying the letter name of the letter they catch. Alphabet bean bag toss. Set up baskets with letters written on them and have the kids toss bean bags into the corresponding baskets. Letter fishing. Use a magnetic fishing pole and lettered fish cutouts for the kids to catch and identify the letters. Alphabet dominoes. Create dominoes with uppercase and lowercase letters and have the kids match and say the letter names. Letter relay with flashcards. Divide the class into teams and have them pass flashcards with letters, saying the letter names as they go. Alphabet obstacle course. Set up an obstacle course with letter stations, where the kids have to identify the letters as they navigate through it. Alphabet Pictionary. Have the kids draw pictures of objects that start with different letters and have the class guess the letter in the object. Letter hop. Draw large letters on the ground and have the kids hop from letter to letter, saying the letter names. Alphabet charades. Have the kids act out animals or objects that start with different letters while the class guesses the letter and the word. Letter balloon pop. Write letters on balloons and have the kids pop the balloons, saying the letter names as they do. Alphabet relay. Divide the class into teams and have them race to write or build letters using different materials. Letter domino race. Create a domino track using letter dominoes and have the kids watch as the letters fall, saying the letter names. Alphabet hop and clap. Have the kids hop and clap out the syllables of words that start with different letters. Alphabet yoga. Assign a yoga pose to each letter and have the kids practice the poses while saying the letter names. Alphabet stomp. Place letter cards on the floor and have the kids stomp on the letter called out by the teacher. Alphabet tic-tac-toe. Play tic-tac-toe using letter cards instead of X's and O's. Alphabet hopscotch relay. Set up an alphabet hopscotch grid and have the kids race to complete it, saying the letter names as they go. Alphabet memory relay. Divide the class into teams and have them take turns flipping over letter cards, trying to match uppercase and lowercase pairs. Letter toss and say. Have the kids toss a bean bag onto a letter mat and say the letter name of the letter they land. Thank you for watching.